Hey y'all, it's your boyfriend, I'm over here. And today I'll be showing you guys how to build a Lego puzzle box out of my own defense. Yes. Sorry for cursing guys on the other video. I was just really mad that day. So yeah. I'll be right back with my Legos. Got my Lego bin. I pulled my Legos out because I have to clean my bin. It is so dirty up in here. But you can't see, so yeah. Wait, what? So my Legos was just on the floor. I can't find. Well, you guys can't see them because my camera is on the charger while I'm filming. So yeah. Quick update, guys. If you see pink on the screen, that is my camera holder. But I have made the puzzle box. Please let this stay out, Lord. But here is the puzzle box. So yeah. Oh, it fell. It fell. I'll be back when I fix the camera, girl. Okay, I'm back. I fixed the camera, y'all. So, yeah. I had to put it the other way. But, this is the Lego puzzle box. So, yeah. Just comment down below if you want to see how to build this. So, yeah. So, yeah. And how you solve this. Oh, no. Oh, my God. No. Where is it? I lost the key, but here we go. First off, you take out the key, which I just did because I lost it. And then you push, oh, okay. You take the key from out of here. Then you push this, which glows. You push this. And then now you are able to slide out this piece. Now, after that piece comes out, this piece comes out. And then push that, push the light again. And then push this out. And then push the light again. And then, and then slide this out. And push it again. Ah, yeah. And the prize should come out right here. And then you actually use this key that I told you guys about, the first key. You use that to oh no. Oh, I'm sorry guys, having some technical difficulties here, but I fixed it. So, yeah. Okay, and then you take out this piece, which actually is your prize. So yeah. This is how you reset it. You put this back in. Then, set that back in. Squish, push the light in reverse, which means push it 2 times. Then push. Oh, put this back in. Bro. Okay, then put that back in. Then push the light 2 times. And then then slide. Put it the wrong way, guys. Sorry. Then slide, and then slide this piece back in like that. And then once you add the white piece in, you don't push it yet. You add this piece back in, and then you push it 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you actually, I recommend you push it one last time before fixing it, because it might just mess up. So yeah, like that. There we go. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe. Comment down below if you want tutorials. And bye guys. See you later. Dang it! That baby chewing. Oh no. She chewing on a chicken bone. Do you guys see this? A chicken bone. Look towards the camera, Jordan. Jordan. Bye. Love you all. Bye, YouTube.